Hello and welcome to Cornwall. My name's Andy Paramore, this is Andy's Cornish Creations, and this is just a quick video to say thank you to all my YouTube friends, old and new. It's been a good year on YouTube, and I'm approaching 13,000 subscribers, which is incredible, really. So thanks to you all. And thanks for watching and supporting me over the last 4 years now it is, and yes, it's going really well at the moment. So I'd like to wish you all a lovely Christmas, and I hope you all have a happy New Year. As you can probably hear up there, it's raining quite steadily, which has been doing all day, so it's not too Christmassy here, but we won't let that spoil it. And again, thanks for watching, have a great time, and I'll see you in the new year. Goodbye.